In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Forms.App. By the end, you'll feel comfortable getting into your account, starting a form the way that suits you best, and knowing where to manage everything you create and receive. First, open your browser and head to the Forms.App website. On the homepage, look for the option to sign up or log in. If you're new, create an account using your preferred method. If you already have one, just log in. You'll be prompted to choose your account, which ensures you're entering the correct workspace, especially if you have access to more than one. Once you're inside, you'll see options to create a new form. You can start with the AI Builder, a blank form, upload an existing file, or pick a template. If you choose the AI route, you'll describe what you need, and the tool will generate a draft form for you, which you can adjust. This is great for saving time and getting a quick structure in place. Starting blank gives you full control from the very first question. Perfect when you already know the exact fields and flow you want. Uploading can help if you have an existing document you want to turn into a form. And if you're in a hurry or want a proven layout, templates are invaluable. Browse categories, pick one close to your use case, and customize wording, fields, and design to match your needs. You'll also notice a tab for creating a folder. Use folders to keep related forms together, by project, department, or campaign, so you can quickly find what you need later. Another tab takes you to archives. Archiving is a good choice when you don't need a form active but want to retain it for reference. It keeps your main dashboard clean without deleting your work. The trash section is where deleted items go. If you remove something by accident, check here to restore it, but remember items may be permanently removed after a period, so only delete what you're sure you won't need. There's a Team Members tab as well. This is where you manage collaboration. Add teammates and set appropriate permissions so people can help build, review, or manage forms while keeping control over who can edit or just view. Finally, visit My Submissions to see the forms you've personally submitted. This is useful for confirming what you've sent and tracking your own participation. That's the guided tour. Head to Forms.app, log in, start a form using AI, blank, upload, or a template. Keep things organized with folders and archives. Use trash responsibly. Collaborate through team members, and review your activity in My Submissions.